Hi everyone, welcome to Music at Morayfield.
Hello.
Sally and I have just been playing with some musical instruments here that we've got. We thought we'd share with you some of them. We've got some shakers. We have the bells. Good at Christmas time.
Oh, lovely.
Jingle bells. Not Christmas yet. And we have some clapsticks.
It sounds so good.
Doesn't it? So we thought we might sing a song with you today. This one's called We Shake and We Stop. So we're going to use our shakers for this one. And there is a part in it where we have to freeze and we have to stop.
Okay.
So try and keep up, Sal.
I will.
Are you ready?
Yep.
We shake and we shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we stop. And we shake and we shake and we shake and we stop. We shake high, high, high 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 and we stop. We shake low, low, low 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 and we stop. Wasn't that fun?
It was.
I like the stopping part.
Oh, it's a bit tricky though.
Catches me almost every time.
Me too.
I get really carried away shaking. Okay, I thought we could do that one again. We could
Okay.
use a different instrument. Not the tambourine. Let's use the clapping sticks.
Okay.
So instead of shake, we'll tap.
All right.
Ready? We tap and we tap and we tap and we stop.
Ooh.
We tap and we tap and we tap and we stop. We tap and we tap and we tap and we stop. And we tap and we tap and we tap and we stop. We tap high, high, high 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 and we stop. We tap low, low, low 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 and we stop. Well done. Now, we could do that with all of our instruments.
We could.
But we were thinking, if you don't have an instrument at home, you could play this with clapping
Yes.
or clicking, or you could even make your own musical instrument. And we're going to show you how to make a really simple shaker today.
Nice.
So, what we have is an empty bottle each. Any sort of bottle.
I started decorating mine.
Oh, you have, and I have too. And what we're going to do is we're going to decorate them. You can draw on them, you could wrap paper around them, you could paint. So I'm going to add a few more little bits to mine. I've done some swirls and some stars. Might do some zigzags.
Nice.
What else could I do?
Stickers. More stickers
Oh,
on.
I want some stickers too. Oh, these ones are nice, Sal. I got these little gems. So you can put anything you like on your bottle.
Oh, you can even leave it plain.
You could leave it plain, yep. It's up to you how creative you want to get. So once you've decorated your bottle, what do we need to do? It doesn't make any noise at the moment.
Not at all. No.
So we need to put something inside our bottle.
All right.
So we've got here some rocks, some little stones.
Nice.
I've also got some little plastic gems.
Ooh, nice.
And we've got, oh, I like these. We've got some bells
Beautiful.
and some different coloured beads. And this is what I like, the coloured sand.
Oh, I wonder what that's going to make. What sound it'll make.
Yeah, but you could use, the boys and girls could use anything. Sticks from the garden,
Yes.
small rocks. If mum has any pasta or rice that's gone a bit stale in the cupboard that's no longer any good, you could use that.
Yeah, that always makes a great sound.
Just use your imagination. Okay, so the next step now that we've decorated is we're going to fill our bottle with something. So
Wow.
Sal, I'm going to use the little rocks
All right, I
first.
think I'll go with some
Buttons. So I'm going to put lots of rocks inside my bottle. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, it's sounding good.
I'm going to put the lid on now. And we should screw the lid on really tight. And you can use a hot glue gun to seal the lid.
Or okay.
Just some sticky tape.
Little ease at home.
Yep, just for safety, let's just put some sticky tape around our lid. They might need help from mum and dad with this bit. Seal it up so the lid doesn't come off. And of course, watching little ones when you're
using small things.
Using small items, yep. Ooh, now we have a shaker. Can I hear yours? Ooh, I like that sound. Listen to mine. Mine has the rocks.
Heavier, deeper sound.
It is. Okay, can we make another one?
Okay.
I want to put something different.
Right.
So that's my first one. We've got a couple of clear bottles here,
Oh,
Sal.
that could be nice.
So I think I'm not going to decorate mine. I'm just going to leave it clear.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to put in this one.
What would you like to do?
Or sand, or are you going to do the
No,
sand?
you're quite welcome
All
to
right.
that. You
I'm
might
going
do
to do.
two and a final for the
I'm
sand.
going to do the coloured sand.
All right. I'm going to do some bells.
I don't know what sort of sound this is going to make. I'm going to use a funnel so the sand hopefully doesn't go everywhere. Oh, look at that.
Looks good.
It's going in. Oh, I don't know what sort of noise this is going to make. And you've got bells.
Okay.
Okay.
So use some red bells.
So we put our lid back on. Screw our lid on.
Yes.
And we'll pretend I've taped it down.
Okay. Oh, I like that.
Can you hear that? It's a different sound, isn't it?
It is.
Can I hear bells?
I can't really hear the bells ringing too much.
Still sounds a bit Christmassy to me. I like it.
That sounds
So
brilliant.
now that we've made our instruments, I reckon we should sing a song with them.
Sounds nice. And if you make one of these at home, you might like to take a photo and post it on our Facebook page.
Great idea. We would love to see everybody's instruments.
Yes.
Excellent idea. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one.
All right.
And we're going to do a different song. We could do Shake and Stop, but I thought we could do a different one. It's called Shake Your Shaker. Are you ready?
Okay.
Shake your shaker, shake your shaker, way up high, way up high. Shake it in the middle, shake it in the middle, side to side, side to side. Did you like that?
Very nice.
You know what? I have a shaker in my other hand, so I'm going to use my other one.
All right. Let's see how we go.
So shake your shaker. We ready?
Yes.
Shake your shaker, shake your shaker, way up high, way up high. Shake it in the middle, shake it in the middle, side to side, side to side. Oh, noisy.
How can I do this?
It would sound like if I just did this one. Shake your shaker, shake your shaker, way up high, way up high. Shake it in the middle, shake it in the middle, side to side, side to side. Oh, that's a nice soft
It's a
sound.
nice soft sound. I like that.
Well, that was lots of fun making our own musical instruments. You can try this at home if you want, and like Sally said, we would love to see photos of your creations.
Absolutely.
That's all we've got time for. We might play with some more instruments before we go, Sally.
Sounds lovely.
You reckon?
Yeah.